Hi there and welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about the many benefits of eating eggs in your diet. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods out there, and today we're going to be diving into all the reasons why you should be incorporating more eggs into your meals. Let's start with the nutritional benefits of eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, with one large egg containing about 6 grams of high-quality protein. This protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, and it helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. Eggs are also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B12, and choline, which is important for brain function. They're also low in calories, making them a great option for those who are trying to lose weight. Another reason to love eggs is their versatility. Eggs can be prepared in so many different ways, making them a perfect option for any meal of the day. Whether you prefer them boiled, fried, poached, or scrambled, eggs can be dressed up or down to fit any occasion. They're also a great option for meal prep. You can make a big batch of hard-boiled eggs at the beginning of the week and grab one as a quick and easy snack, or you can make a frittata or quiche for a delicious and nutritious breakfast or lunch. In addition to being nutritious and versatile, eggs are also budget-friendly and convenient. They're one of the most affordable sources of protein and can be found in nearly every grocery store. They're also quick and easy to prepare, making them the perfect option for busy weekdays when you don't have a lot of time to cook. Simply crack a couple of eggs into a pan, add a little bit of milk, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast in minutes. So there you have it, the many benefits of eating eggs in your diet. Whether you're looking for a quick and convenient breakfast, a nutritious snack, or a tasty meal prep option, eggs have got you covered. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a carton of eggs and start incorporating them into your meals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative videos like this.